Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Techlife Smartband, the Techlife TLS B01. And on this video, we are going to explore the preloaded watch faces, and at the same time, we will have a sample download from the support app, as well as we'll check if there's a custom wallpaper for the Techlife Smartband. So if you are interested to know more about the list of watch faces or the preloaded watch faces, watch this video. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the world of watch faces for our Techlife Smartband. So it is already preloaded with watch faces. You can change the watch face here by long press, and we have, as you can see, we have at least 4. So this is the default, 2, 3, and 4. So if you want this watch face, just tap on it. Settings on the watch face, let's see, or settings on the display is available here on the settings. We have display, we have the brightness adjustment, the screen time, raise to wake, and alert on notification. Okay, to download additional watch face, just go to the support app. So we'll go to the DFit app, go to the device section, and as you can see here, we have the dial. Tap on more, and these are the available watch faces or dials. So swipe and check out the other watch faces. So we will check 1, 2, and 3. So it is a combination of analog and digital watch faces. Let's explore more. Okay, we don't have animated watch faces, but we do have a lot of good looking watch faces here. We have 68. So I think we have more than 100 watch faces here. Let's see. So we have 155 here based on the ID. Okay. So let's check out on the bottom part. So far it loads fast, and we do have a lot of options. Imagine 155 watch faces or dials for your Techlife Smartband. So 29. Okay, no more data. So it's here, ID 20. So just 100 plus. Okay. We don't have the number 1 here. 35. We have 32. 17, 18, 19. So the numbering here is not correct. Okay, we have 42, 43, 40, 45. Seems like it's just a random number. So I don't think that it is 100 plus. But it has a very good list. Okay. I stand corrected. It's not 150, I think. But we do have a lot of options here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is 60 already. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. 130, I think more than 90, almost 100. Okay, so let's have a sample download. Let's see if it will load fast. Let's pick one. Let's pick this one. And sync dial. And as you can see here, our smart band switch to download mode. Okay, very fast as you can see here. And we have here our dial. Let's see if we already have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have at least 5 here. Okay, you can add additional watch face, but you cannot delete the previous watch face, I think. Let's have another one. So very good when it comes to downloading the dials, very fast. '94, and we have here, okay, with the date. So it is Friday. The Friday here is red in color. Again, let's see. 2. Okay, so you can only download one dial at a time. For the custom, so we will select from the album. Just allow the permission. Select from album, photos. Then we'll pick a dial. Okay, we'll pick this one. Crop. Okay. So we have here, and we adjust the time position, center bottom. Then you can adjust the color here. Pick this one. Okay, we'll just go back to this. Okay, then that's it. Font color and time position. There's no other options. Then application. Let's wait for it. And we have our custom wallpaper. Let's see if we can add one custom wallpaper and one watch face. Long press. Okay, so you can only download, okay, unfortunately you can only download one watch face at a time. Only one storage for your custom watch face or wallpaper, and if you want to download additional watch face, it will be overwritten by the new dial or watch face. So that's it for our tutorial for downloading watch faces or list of watch faces for the Techlife Smart Band. So if you have any questions regarding the Smart Band or this video, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.